It's June 24, 2025. It's a new day, a new hope, a lovely, lovely, lovely morning. You see a lot of people on the street because it's kind of a ceasefire between the terror regime of Iran and Israel. And I'm happy. Then what's the difference? First of all, you can see a lot of people walking in the street. Secondly, the shops are open again. Thirdly, I took a shower of more than 5 minutes, which I couldn't do before because of the siren. It's sunset time. Look at that air. Everything is beautiful. And I'm walking. I'm doing something that I didn't do before the war between Israel and Iran. And when I say Iran, I'm not talking about the people of Iran, I'm talking about the region of Iran. I have nothing against the people there. They are suffering from the regime just like we suffered a little bit, actually a lot. And we are heading to a restaurant. My wife, my daughter and I are going to eat outside in a real restaurant. Why? Because we can. Now I know that for you it's kind of another video of a war, but let's talk about what's happened to us. Let's talk about the stress that every man had. For example, taking a shower for more than 5 minutes in wartime. Are you crazy? Secondly, going out, my wife and my daughter didn't leave the house. Except for me, you know that I'm doing it. But some other things. Look at the smile of the people. But more than that, it's still there in my mind. Ceasefire? Should we trust a terror regime that tried to destroy Israel by their proxy, Yemen, Gaza, Syria, Lebanon? Then of course we, as I say, destroy it. Oh, I'm doing something that it's wrong. Don't look at the red sign. Should we trust them? I'm not sure that we can, and still we decided to leave our houses. Why Lior and Ronit are not next to me? First of all, because Lior doesn't like me talking to you. No, she doesn't have a problem with that, but she doesn't want me to stand, to walk next to her and to talk to someone else. She wants her attention. I agree. My wife, she went to her mosaic lesson. She is preparing mosaic, beautiful art, I must say. She's very talented, but she couldn't do that last week. Today, she's doing it. Now, I will talk about the sites that we are going to see on the way, and one of them is a very well-known coffee. It's called Abima Cafe, and you can see the people, mostly young, sitting outside, enjoying the nice breeze and eating so many different cakes and sandwiches and a great coffee. You know that I'm addicted to coffee. Then from time to time I'm drinking my coffee here, but to find an empty table, an empty chair, now it's mission impossible. Thanks God that we did something good today, and we reserved seats in the restaurant, because I'm not sure that we will get some. It might be very busy. According to what you see here, it might be very, very busy. Now they have excellent pastry, excellent sweet things, and really, 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 really good sandwiches. Next, you can see another coffee place, Nechama, which is very busy. To the left is the National Theater of Israel, and there's something in the Plaza of Abima. Let's go to see it. All right, why not? Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a kind of a show. Oh wow, I missed something very important now. He had a huge balloon and he blew it in the air and something came up. But look at that. Thank you very much, my friends. This was a version, a short one of his show. That's one thing. And what else we have now, and we couldn't have it in the war. We are going back to the horrible 50 hostages situation in Gaza. Then, as you can see, people are left the house and asked the government to release those hostages. 50 people are still in the hands of the proxy of late Iran in Gaza. This is something that we must deal with. For us, and I think if you are watching my videos, you know how important it is. The citizens of Israel is part of our family. It's a family. And we are taking care of family members. You can see the Philharmonic Hall straight ahead, and that place is the entrance to the parking lot of Abima Theater and Hichala Tarbut, the Philharmonic Hall. And guess what? It became to be a bomb shelter. And I took a video of it. You can actually watch my videos on YouTube. Wait. I'm talking, I'm here for the last 7 minutes and I didn't even mention it. What about subscribing my channel? What about reaching or being a friend on my Facebook and Instagram? The same title, The Holy Land by Zahi Shaked. Oh, you can see the old ladies that couldn't leave the house before because of the war are enjoying the breeze for the first time after, I don't know, 6 or 7 days. Hallelujah for that. Then you can, I didn't know that video will be a success because I didn't know what will happen outside. But let me tell you that everyone are in the street enjoying the pubs. If before that we went out to buy some grocery, and now we can see that people are drinking alcohol and enjoying themselves. What a lovely day. I might meet my wife, she's somewhere here. But she cannot reach me now because the video is blocking everything. I don't want the video to be stopped. And that is a present that I got from a very good friend of mine, Shlomi. But Shlomi, I don't know, disappeared. That's the idea, and that's the stories of friends that are coming to your life for something, and then when it's done, they are going or moving to a different story. Then let me look for my wife. No. Then let me continue. I might meet my daughter in front of the restaurant, and they choose a very good one. We love it. This is Marmorek Street, not so important name, but we are reaching Even Gevirol Street, and beneath Even Gevirol Street, we are building the light rail. Oh, the smell of, they cut those trees, and the smell is suddenly, I mean, it's like a fresh smell, but it's the end of those branches. It's so nice to see the children outside their houses, relaxing, not looking at their telephone, not listening to the message of future missiles. And this is the street of Even Gevirol. You can see that's where one of the stations will be, AM PM. Right there, it's a grocery shop that open 24 hours a day. By the way, this is Tel Aviv, and although I am kind of a friend of so many terror propaganda, Muslim propagandas on Facebook and Instagram, mainly because I want to see what they are thinking about Israel. And what they actually believe is that, their message was that Israel and Tel Aviv, of course, been destroyed. And you can see something else. All right, we can cross that street. I missed those people, lots of people. I don't know if you remember one of my videos like 8 days ago, something like that, was about the art book fair, the Hebrew book, and we had a siren where we had a siren, a bomb siren, a missile siren from Iran, I think. I'm not sure, Iran or Yemen. You know what? I'm not really sure. In the middle of the fair. Well, look back to my sorry, on my YouTube channel. I do have that lovely, strange in a way, but unique video. I'm usually taking videos of Israel, but most of them are of the holy part of Israel, Christians, Jewish, and some of the Muslims that I can enter into it, because I'm not, the Muslims are not letting non-Muslims to enter to their site. A few of them you can, but most of them cannot. And why we agree to it? Because in Israel, it's every religious person have his own rights, and Muslims decided not to let non-Muslims to their places. This is the Cinematheque, which is the quality movie theater. I love that place because if I want to watch a video of, let's say from Italy, from Spain, you know, those videos that you cannot watch in a regular cinema hall, something that only 5 people can watch it because it's very, very slow. This is the place. We have few of those cinema halls, and I, as a young man, loved it very much. Now let me take you to see something, because I'm not sure that it will be open, because I'm surprised to see that everything is open here, because they didn't actually tell us that we can open the market, but the market is open. Now there is a vintage market every Friday here, but this is not Friday. But they have few bars here that I really love. Let me see if they are open. Not really. Or maybe it's too early for that. think I love that video because it gives you a different perspective of Tel Aviv. Can you write me a comment and tell me what do you think about it? Now, Lauter, yeah, it's closed. So sad. I was sure that I would see here lots of people. I'm sure that tomorrow everything will be open because it's still few hours after the siege fire, which we are not really trusting. Then let me go back to Arba'a Street and the place that Schmidt, another good bar, and Little Schmidt. I've never been there, but it belongs to Schmidt. They have so many, a huge selection of beer. I'm not really a beer fan, but when you're reaching that place, there's so many attractive beer, and they can tell you, actually they told me, they asked me some questions, and they gave me a beer, and I tried that beer, and guess what? I loved it. Don't ask me for the name of it. Something with German, but it was totally great beer. That is Schmidt. Totally closed. And we are going to eat today in Porter. Right here. Looks very close. It looks totally close. But we order a place there. Okay. All right, Porter's was closed, but we decided to go to B2 restaurant. B2, hey America, B2 restaurant. All right, it's B12, but you got the message. Although it's not a lot of people here, we are. Ronit, say hi.
Hi.
Elior.
Hi.
Hi. And this is my Chardonnay. We are celebrating. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.